Yes, people, kitchen nice and clean. Pipes clean in our kitchen, you see me? Me and a chef Willie, give me a beat there. I don't know Chef Willie leave in our kitchen, when in a Chef Willie kitchen. Everything, when you're in a Chef Willie kitchen, everything, leaking. In a Chef Willie kitchen. Eating finger licking. Me say better than KFC cooking. Me say better than McDonald's food. And me say better than KFC food. And me say better than Popeye's food. And stay tuned, me say Chef Willie kitchen. Cause me say everything will finger licking. Stay tuned in the kitchen. Stay tuned in the kitchen. Watch it, stay tuned in the kitchen. Stay tuned in the kitchen. Stay tuned to Chef Willie kitchen. Stay tuned to Chef Willie kitchen. Stay tuned to Chef Willie kitchen. Everything will finger licking. Tuned to Chef Willie kitchen. Fried dumpling, Jamaica we call it fried kegs. Anything you want to call it. Rolling cartwheel. You see me? Fried boilers. You see me? Dumpling, fried dumpling from scratch, Chef Willie. Go straight into it. They have your oil. You see me? I make the flour right now, show now. So it things set really quick and easy. Simple. Put your flour in the amount you want dumpling you feel like you want to make. You have company and thing, you know me, I always have company. Drop a little flour, a little caramel on top. Sprinkle it all over. Not too much caramel, guys. You add a little baking powder around it. You want it to swell up. You see me? And you little salt on top. That's how I like to make it round. Easy combination. Drop a little salt on top. You mix it up. That's basically it. Come with me, guys. I'm showing. Hold on. Yeah, add a little bit of sugar on top. You don't want it too sweet, because remember you're making fried dumpling, guys. And then you stir it on. You add a little more baking powder, because you want your thing to swell a little bit. Remember you already add your salt and your cornmeal. Go ahead and make the flour now. It doesn't matter what water you use, you can use tap. I make flour really fast. Just stir it and add water as I go along. Can't make it too soggy. You gotta make sure it's all blended out. When I make flour, guys, you don't really see not even a splash of flour in it when I'm finished. Get everything off. Water to eyes, turn it down a little bit. Yeah, it's almost there. Just want to get all that powdery part puffy, lumpy, like you're making a Play-Doh with a dough or with mud. So basically do it. See, nothing's leaving in the pan. I clean as I go. Add a little more water. Trying to put it all together. Just keep squeezing it onto each other with the soft part and the dry part down there. Add a little more water. Keep doing that. See, it's turning into the ball already. That's how you basically make dough, guys. If you want to make your enchiladas, you want to make dumpling, you want to make festival, this is how you make dough. Dumplings, so they call it. You could boil it, you could fry it, you could flavor it how you want it. Guys, look at this. This is called chef work. You guys keep folding it. See, this is what it comes out to. You form it in the way that you want. I normally make it like a long little snake. If it's a little too soft, you could add just a tip of flour on it so it don't too be sticky on your ends. Just a dash of flour, guys. You don't want it too sticky on you. And then you make sure all of that goes in it. And all clean again. Then you start again. That's how you make a perfect dough. Form it. My little snake. And I pick a little piece off. Pick little pieces off in the size that you want to make. And then, yeah, go ahead guys, and add the oil in the pot. Put as much oil, because remember you're frying dumplings. Come close. Put enough oil so the dumpling could soak and float in the pot. That's good enough. Almost an oil, half pint of oil. When the oil hot, you turn it down, and then you add, you make your flour. Meanwhile, it's hot, heating up. I'm gonna keep making my little bite-sized dumpling when I'm about to make, and I'm gonna roll it into a circle, and a little dumpling, and roll it into a little wheel. You know, put a little design on top, any way you want to put it, or if you just want to make it round, and then like, you know, put your design around it, and then you put it in. The baking soda powder is gonna make it swollen and give it the form that you need. But anyway, I'm gonna make my oil hot, and I'm gonna get right into it. Oil and thing. Roll the flour, guys. It's very easy and simple. You see this? A nice cabal. Drop it in dough. Make your hand drop into the oil and burn yourself. If you want to lay something down, put the gloves. I'm a pro chef. Don't try that at home. Drop in the flour. As I keep on rolling and drop in, I'm gonna show you guys how Chef Willie make his fried dumpling. Very easy, quick and simple. Turn the fire low and make that boy fry my fat. These are all I'm gonna make. Drop them in fast. You don't care any way you can roll them, guys. Doesn't matter. Some people roll them long, some people roll them round, square. Anyway, as long as you roll it in and the flour is properly kneaded out, just drop it in. Drop it in. So then looking at the pot, everything in the oil boiling, frying slow, cook with low temperature. That's how you do it. Drop them in, find space in the pot. All of them could fry. I got a big pot, so you can find space. And plus there's enough oil to fry all of them. So I'm just keep pouring. Let the fryer spin as then. Okay. This is nice to eat with some cabbage, so anything you see I make on my channel, even corn meal porridge. You can make this with some ackee and saltfish, some mackerel, real quick. Anything you want to cook up, guys. Very easy. And that's it. Yeah, guys, see them start swelling. You could poke them a little bit so you could get a little air. So inside could also get fried from just that poke. Get it a little deep, you know. I always do that. Poke all of them a little bit. Just one poke. You could tell from the swollen ones. Puffy. That about it. Yeah, guys, as you can see, for a well fry. So them a float, so your flour feel float like a boat. These are them a float, I get the color. When it's almost brown looking like this, you could take it out. It's ready. You can look, check and see if it fry inside a little bit more. Make it fry a little bit. You already poached them, so inside be frying. And just make it brown a little bit more. And then I'm gonna show you guys right over here. I set my pan. Always put a little paper towel in it so it could absorb the oil when you finish. So basically that's it. That's it, guys. This is how you make fried dumpling from scratch. Real quick and simple. Not even 10 minutes good. Fast. Stay tuned to my channel and stay tuned to my channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Oh. Yeah, see dumpling well fry them at that brown look. You could tell. You don't have to make it till it burn up, guys. When it's fried, you could smell it, you could taste it, you could see it. Dumpling all fried. I'm taking them out. And that's how you make fried dumpling from scratch. Stay tuned, Chef Willie up in the kitchen. You see me? That's it, guys. So fried dumpling from scratch. Put them out and make them go and simmer for a little bit. That's it. Stay tuned to my channel. That's it,